Hey, Johnny Joubert of the Joubert Law Firm here, and I'm with fellow veteran Steve Thomas. Steve and I graduated high school together, we joined the military together, and we served in the United States Army during Operation Desert Shield and Desert Storm. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me, Johnny. I think today we're going to show everyone how to fold an American flag properly.
Awesome.
And a couple things that you need to remember is, number one, always show the American flag with respect and dignity. And number two, make sure the American flag never touches the ground.
You know, Johnny, each fold, there's 13 in total, and every one represents something different. It's something our forefathers thought of, and it's such a great little read.
Yeah, it's amazing. Every component of the American flag has a story and a reason on why it's on the flag. So there's a lot of thought that went into creating the American flag for us. And in this particular flag, this is high quality. It's not fabric, so it's a little bit more challenging to fold, but the benefit is it's going to last a really long time flying in front of your home or your business. And this particular one is 3 by 5 feet, which is exactly the one that we're giving away on November 11th. And when you're finishing up folding the American flag, you always want to make sure you inspect it. Number one, all the points are correct and sharp, and that there's no red showing at any spot. On November 11th, that's Veterans Day, come by the Joubert Law Firm at 2171 Quail Run Drive in Baton Rouge. And in collaboration with WAFB, we're handing out 500 American flags. These flags are 3 feet by 5 feet, very durable, and will be flying in front of your home or business for a very long time.